void ang insurance policy mo kung wala ang element na ito.
Advocating the rights and interests of the insuring public.
Ito yung tinatawag na insurable interest. Ayon sa Section 10 ng Insurance Code, every person has an insurable interest in the life and health of, letter A, himself, of his spouse, and of his children. Letter B, of any person on whom he depends wholly or in part for education or support, or in whom he has a pecuniary interest. Letter C, of any person under a legal obligation to him for the payment of money or respecting property or services, of which death or illness might delay or prevent the performance. And letter D, of any person upon whose life or any estate or interest vested in him depends. Ibig sabihin, kapag financially affected ka, kung mawala or magkasakit ang isang tao, meron kang insurable interest. Dahil importante siya na element sa isang insurance contract, void ang insurance policy mo kung walang insurance. If you have further questions regarding insurable interest, mag-comment ka lang sa baba. Remember, who your insurance advisor is the most important.